Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Voice Memos and tap on it. It should be in Utilities folder. Then select Continue at the bottom and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one, but firstly you need to hold this line and drag it to the top. Now I can pause it and unpause it. When you're ready, click on the pause button and tap on Done at the bottom right corner to save your recording. As you can see, mine was successfully created. Over here, by tapping on those three dots, you can, for example, save it to files, or copy it, or even edit recording over here. If you wish to get rid of it though, you need to click on the spin icon over here and tap on OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!